In today's video, we are going to print a 2 cm thick crystal panel. First, take the image to the crystal using heat-resistant tape, making sure that the image does not shift during the printing process. Remember not to mirror the image, and then adjust the medium pressure for the crystal panel. Turn on the machine and set the parameters at 180 Celsius and 2 minutes to preheat the crystal. Place a protective paper and put the crystal with the image facing down. When the time is up, turn the crystal panel over with the image facing up and set 180 Celsius for 3 minutes. Printing is finished. Let's check the amazing photo crystal.